Hi, I'm Maya, and here is Max with me. Today, we will talk about little habits.
Hey everyone. Yes, little habits that changed our lives. Not big ones, just small steps.
Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like big changes are too hard to start?
Yes, like when we say, I will wake up at 5 a.m. and then we don't.
Exactly. I used to feel lazy. I thought something was wrong with me, but now I know.
It was not laziness, it was pressure. I was trying to change everything at once. And
So today, we want to show you another way, a simple way, a kind way.
and if you stay with us, you'll learn 5 small habits that helped us feel better.
Also, we'll give you practice. You can repeat with us and reflect with us.
So take a deep breath, relax. This is for you. Let's begin.
Okay, so habit number one is really simple. I call it 1 minute to breathe.
Sounds too easy, right? But this habit changed how I start my day. No phone, just breathe.
I used to check my phone as soon as I opened my eyes. Bad idea.
Me too. And my mind was already full of noise emails, news, messages, stress.
So one day, I tried something different. I sat up. I closed my eyes. I breathed.
I did it too, just for 1 minute. Inhale, exhale, slowly. It felt strange, but peaceful.
And now, let's do it together. Yes, you too. Just try this with us, okay?
Okay, sit back, take a slow breath in. 1, 2, 3.
Now slowly breathe out. 1, 2, 3 again. Breathe in and out.
That's it. You just gave yourself a gift. A little gift of peace and focus.
Have you ever felt like the day controls you? Like everything is too fast?
This 1 minute habit can help. It's small but powerful. Try it every morning.
Now say this sentence with me. I give myself 1 minute to breathe.
Repeat. I give myself 1 minute to breathe. Good. That's your first habit.
We'll move to the second one. But before that, ask yourself, how do you start your day?
Yeah, really think. Do you rush? Do you check your phone? Or do you breathe?
Part 2. The magic of saying it out loud.
All right, Maya. The second habit is something that felt a little weird at first, right?
Haha, yes. It's called Say It Out Loud. Just one sentence. But you say it with heart.
When I first started, I felt silly. I thought, why am I talking to myself?
Same here. But then I understood. Our brain listens when we speak. It becomes more real.
So every morning after I breathe, I say one sentence out loud. Today I will try.
Beautiful. So simple. Not I will be perfect. Not I will win. Just I will try.
Friends, let's try this together now. Ready? Repeat after me. Today I will try.
Again. With feeling. Today I will try. Yes. One more time. Say it with love.
See? Your mouth moves. Your voice speaks. Your heart listens. That's the magic.
This helped me when I felt nervous, when I had an English test, or a job interview.
I still use it when I feel low because it reminds me I don't need to be perfect. And
I just need to show up and try. That's all. That's enough.
so, friend listening right now, tell me, what's one sentence you can say today?
It could be, I am learning English, or I will not give up.
Yes, make it short, make it honest, and say it out loud every day.
Now try this one with me. I am learning. I am growing. Say it with me now.
I am learning. I am growing. Doesn't that feel powerful? Even if it's just a whisper.
This habit helped me believe in myself. One sentence, spoken out loud, every day.
Have you ever told yourself something kind? Something gentle? You deserve to hear your own support.
So take a moment. Think of your sentence, and tomorrow, say it out loud.
This brings us to the next little habit. And trust me, it's one of my favorites.
It's a habit that makes you feel proud, even when no one else sees it.
Ready to hear it? Then don't go anywhere. It might change how you feel every evening.
Part 3, One line every night, the tiny journal habit. Okay, Max. So this habit is small, but it made my nights more peaceful, more clear.
Yes, it's called one line every night. Just write one sentence before you sleep.
Not a full journal, not a long story, just one line about your day. That's it.
When I started this, I wrote things like, I smiled today, or I learned one new word.
My first line was, I didn't cry today, and even that felt like a big win.
Wow, that's honest and real. This habit helps you see yourself just a little clearer.
So, friend, take a notebook or just a paper. Before you sleep, write one true line.
Try this tonight. Maybe write, I listened to an English podcast, or I cooked dinner.
The key is no judgment. It doesn't need to be happy, it just needs to be real.
Say this with me. I can write one line tonight. Go ahead. Repeat after us.
I can write one line tonight. Yes, you can. That's your little win.
And over time, these lines become your story. Not a perfect story, but a real one.
When I read my old one liners, I feel proud. I see how far I've come.
Me too. I see the days I was tired but still tried. That makes me smile.
Have you ever felt like your day didn't matter? Like nothing special happened?
This habit will show you. Even the quiet days, even the hard days, they matter.
Now let's think. What's one line you could write tonight? Pause. Think for 5 seconds.
Could be, I'm listening to English now, or I understood one new word today.
Yes, that's perfect. Nothing is too small. If it happened and it's true, it's enough.
So tonight, try it. One sentence, one line every night. That's the habit.
And soon you'll have pages of your own life, written by you, lived by you.
Okay, Maya, are you ready to share the next habit? The one that helped your body too?
Yes, it's small, it's easy, and it gave me so much energy in just 5 minutes. Part 4, Move Just a Little, the 5-minute body habit.
All right, so now let's talk about your body, because your body also wants little love.
Yes, and I used to ignore that. I thought, I don't have time to exercise.
But guess what? You don't need 1 hour. You don't need the gym. Just 5 minutes.
5 minutes of movement. That's all I started with. Walking in place, stretching my arms.
I did it too. I stood up, I walked around the room, I touched my toes, and
It sounds funny, right? But it felt so good. My body was like, thank you.
when your body feels alive, your mind feels stronger. Your energy becomes real again.
So let's try this now. Stand up if you can. Roll your shoulders. 1, 2, 3.
Now reach up, stretch slowly, feel your body move. It's okay if it feels a little strange.
Now shake your hands, wiggle your fingers, smile. Yes, that's your 5-minute habit.
It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to move a little every single day.
Say this with me now. I will move for 5 minutes. Come on, repeat it.
I will move for 5 minutes. See, your body already feels different. Your mood changes too.
I started doing this when I felt tired, or bored, or when I couldn't focus.
Yes, and after just a few days, I felt stronger. Not in the gym way, but inside.
Have you ever felt stuck? Like your mind is sleepy? Try moving your body just for 5 minutes.
This tiny habit can wake you up. It gives your brain a little fresh start.
And you don't need to run or sweat. Just move a little. Dance, stretch, walk, anything.
Even standing up and reaching for the sky, that's enough to feel different.
So, what's one small movement you can do today? Right now, just think for 5 seconds.
Could be clapping, could be swinging your arms, could be slow walking in your room.
Just promise yourself one thing. You will move, not for fitness, but for joy.
And now, we're ready for the last habit. It's a quiet one, but it changed how I speak.
Part 5. One kind word a day. The speaking habit that heals. Okay, this one is special. It's not about moving your body, it's about moving your heart.
Yes, we call it one kind word a day. And honestly, it changed my relationships.
Before this habit, I was always busy. I forgot to say simple things like thank you.
Me too. I didn't realize how powerful one kind word can be. For me, for others.
So I started with one word. Just once a day, I said something kind to someone.
Sometimes I said, "You did great." Sometimes I said, "I like your smile." Just one sentence.
At first, it felt small, but the other person smiled. And that made my day brighter too.
Here's the secret. When you give kindness, you feel stronger. You feel lighter. You feel human.
Now let's try this. Think of someone close to you, a friend, a parent, a teacher.
Now say one kind sentence in your heart. Maybe, "I'm glad you are in my life."
Say it out loud if you can, or whisper it, even if they don't hear it.
And tomorrow, say it to someone for real. Just one kind word. That's your daily habit.
You can also say kind words to yourself. Yes, that counts too. It's very important.
Say with me, "I am trying," and that's enough. Say it again, "I am trying."
That one sentence helped me in dark moments. I wasn't perfect, but I was still trying.
Have you ever felt like nobody sees your effort? Then say kind words to yourself first.
Then give them to others, one by one, every day. Your voice will become a light.
Now pause and reflect. What kind word can you say today? To yourself or someone else?
Write it down. Speak it or just hold it in your heart. It matters. It truly does.
So now let's go back. Just for a moment. Let's review the 5 little habits.
First, 1 minute to breathe. Then, one sentence said out loud.
Third, one line every night. Fourth, 5 minutes of movement.
And fifth, one kind word a day. 5 habits. All small, but all powerful.
If you try even one of them today, that's enough. That's a beginning.
Coming up next, let's close this episode with a little reflection and a soft goodbye. So, take a breath with us now. Just one more slow, gentle breath. You did something good today.
Yes, you really did. You listened. You learned. You gave time to yourself. That's not small. That's powerful.
You may feel tired, or lost, or unsure, but small steps can lead to big changes.
And remember, you don't have to do all 5 habits. Start with one, just one.
What matters is that you care about your life. And today, you showed that you care.
Before we say goodbye, I want to ask you something. Which habit will you try first?
Will you breathe in the morning? Or write one line at night? Or maybe speak kind words?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear from you. Your words inspire others too.
And if this podcast helped you even a little, imagine what 30 days of practice can do.
So hit that subscribe button. Join us again. We'll be here every week with simple, kind English learning.
We are not just a podcast, we are a warm place to grow, step by step.
Thank you for being with us. We're proud of you. Keep going, one small habit at a time.
Take care, stay gentle with yourself, and as always, keep speaking with your heart.
Goodbye, dear friend. See you in the next episode.